Welcome back today, family. How is it going? I hope I meet you well. Today we're going to be talking about the letter 7. As I've told you before, as I've made you become aware that in the Bible and also in your Quran also, because they are two, they are the same. They are one, but they are different faiths, Islam and Christianity. So in Christian book that they used to program people, they used to misprogram the mass for us to not get the real information, for we to not achieve something from the book. But thanks that your head chose you. Thank your head, your ori, that you have arrived here, you have come to ask yourself some questions, and that led you to this channel. So the letter 7 and the whole letter are all mysticism and their symbology and numerology. Those number, every number have different meanings. And today is the letter 7. The letter 7 is a perfect number. It's like a divine intervention. No, it's not divine intervention, sorry. It's a perfect number. That is not the letter 7 stands for perfection. That's why you see in the world today. Imagine anything number 7. You say that thing will be a perfect stuff. To be a perfect thing, just like your player. Imagine the player that they always give the letter 7 in your squad. In case if you are a sports fan, you see that letter 7 is always sharp. It's always the one that always give the extra boost. Apart from the letter 9, the letter 9 is another story entirely. And the letter 7, just imagine letter 7. Cristiano Ronaldo. Just imagine Kaká, imagine Ronaldinho, imagine all those players, that Shevchenko, because those are the perfect players on the field. They're the one that bring the extra boost. Apart from the number 9. So on that letter 7 is when God rested, when the whole work have finished, when our higher self, when our energy have arose from down our chakras to our solar plexus, to our heart chakra, to our throat chakra, then to our pineal, then the letter 7 is here. Perfection. Because all the old things, you have gotten everything that you need. All the old things that you seek from what they wrote the Lord in the Bible. The Lord is not one man up there in the skies putting his feet, as they said, above the earth. They just use that word to just mean something. And that Lord is just like an English word. Here in England, here in English land, they have many Lord. You see Lord Lugard, Lord this one, Lord Prince, Lord this. So that Lord, they just put it there. That is just the way that they compile and form and put their name in their way of seeing things. But that Lord is not a man. The Lord is the energy in us. Just like also Jesus. Jesus is the energy in us also, that won't go up. Like the messenger, like the servant that go from down up here to go and meet the mother and father up here, then he showered down it to us. So the letter 7 is a perfect number. It stands for perfection. The letter 7 again, just like I'm just repeating it, but it has to be repeated and said very well. Letter 7 is when everything is done. Letter 7, you have gotten to your higher self. You have gotten to the higher mountain. When you hear mountain in your Bible, is here up above the temple, above your temple when you are meditating. And all these things involve around meditation. As I said before, the Bible religion book are all dealing about the Eastern tradition of the world, the present Eastern people of the world today. What they mainly practice there is what the Bible, what religion deal with, but they won't let you know, because the people that give you the Bible, if you are a Christian, the Western part, they don't want to teach, let you think that them to their Eastern people. But everything written in the Bible is mainly Eastern culture, which is Eastern tradition, and is dealing with meditation. Meditation really starts in Asia. Meditation starts in Africa, in Kemet, where all the old mysticism and all the old knowledge came from before it spread. The Egyptians, the blacks were all around the world before invasion, before people start, before they have the thought of greed that they want to, that some people that they think that they want to occupy everywhere, that they think that they can be the god of the planet. So that is a family. Number 7 is a perfect number. It stands for perfection. Just like Ronaldo. Respect the good life.